Nicole! Delight! Gladys! Pack up! Pack up! Ayun sa...
Ready? 1, 2. Uy, ako ba to? Ah, kaya na mo eh.
Goodbye, Fox.
There, look at that.
That's Mark, Joe, and
There is another
Tina.
place
This is
there.
Ernest.
And we
Ernest.
are about to discover the beauty of City Hall. Let's go.
Yes. Hi, Ernest, and we are just introducing to you Kambuhage Falls. It's so nice.
What's the name of the falls?
It's
Kambugahay,
Kambugahay
Kambugahay, whatever.
Alright, great.
Come here.
Alright, I'm going.
Let's take it to your Tina.
Okay.
Of their falls. Trademark of City Hall. We have Kambugahay Falls. And we have here Mark, Tina, and Joel.
Alright, can you feature the water, the type of raft they have here in City Hall?
Yes.
What's the difference? What's
Water
with
is
this
so
place?
clear, it's so blue, it's so natural.
Alright.
Yes.
up here
And when
we
you
have-
come here,
Hi, Tarshir.
Hi,
This is the team having fun. And I need to go up there.
1, 2, ready?
Alright.
Biko ganahan na na.
These are the directors and the best actresses.
Gali, ari ka ubos.
Alright, see?
These are the candidates for dinner.
Look at the nice view. And I slip many times. It's very dangerous, but look at the price. This is the reward. Look at that. I wish we could swim, but then we're all dressed up, so we can't do that. For the meantime, take a picture, say bye-bye to the place, and go hop to another place. Where are you going now? Let's go now. Hi. City Hall. What's the new game? What's the next game? What's the next big thing?
Next big thing is
Sikahor.
Sika Hall.
In memory of Joe. Oh, Joe, wish you were here.
yes, wish you were here. Yes, hey guys, welcome to City Hall, and we have our guys with us. And your time this
Where are
time.
we gonna up next?
I'm not quite sure. Let's ask our tour guide, and of course, yeah, Tina and Mark here, taking pictures of the panoramic City Hall. All right. Oh, my co-host there with you,
Dun,
Gladys.
dun, dun.
Hi, people. How's your stay so far?
I wish we could swim. Stay there.
To the left, music video. To the left, everything you want in the box. To the left, in my closet. That's
I
it.
couldn't.
Is that a video? Keep talking and turn that.
Let's go now. Oh. Hello, Marky.
Watch my butt.
Why not?
Here's my butt. YouTube.
It's really nice, no? Yeah.
It's
so steep.
Ari katis. Kani nga setan.
Anak ka sa second.
Ako lang dire. Sige, anak ko.
Oh, titi, like one step pa.
Wala ba?
I-propose pa na ako, kaya nag-propose pa ta. This is a video. Hey, there's still a picture.
We're about to leave.
What's next? Sikahor! Buwang ka! Let's go na!
Solo.
Lagi naman trapo. Trapo sa amin.
Go.
Let's go na, let's go.
Cute kayo na nalasasay sa background.
I-background na sad na ako. Screensaver. Ako. Ako?
Ang last background ba?
Oo. Ako kung lubot, nakita na sad.
Oh, YouTube. Probably baka nag-privilege lang.
Lagi. Napa sa ubos.
Wow, exercise, Andrew. Basta ka pa dyan. To the left, to the left. Wow! This is such a cool.
This is the place.
Yung
And
mga
there,
picture ninyo,
the
kay
sea.
nana mo. Kapil ako.
Hurry!
Ay, wala ko natin sa sa Hi, Gally. Hi. Yeah, hey. Picture everywhere. Ernest!
I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I can make it. Oh my God. It only goes to show that we're not exercising. I don't exercise at all. Okay. Okay. I'm not taking a picture, I'm taking a video. Mga kapoy-kapoyan. Okay, Mama. Come here.
Oh, we're dancing.
Yeah, we made it.
I
We're the winners.
I'm a survivor.
Survivor.
I am psyched.
Harapin, Mama. Malagay. Oh, Tina. Wow, I didn't notice this. It's a cliff.
This is it.
Tina, we made it. Give me 5. Hi. We're all winners. Come here. Oh. This is the highway, I guess. Oh, oopsie. Hello.
Hello, Tite.
Yes.
How are you doing so far?
It's so fast.
Who's thirsty?
Everybody is.
Thirsty?
What's the word if you're thirsty?
Give it.
Give it.
Don't give in. Thirsty? Don't give in.
We're now in April.
We're having our penitence.
Look at the place. It's so virgin. I wonder how it's gonna look like 10 years from now. Do you think that the boutique here?
So, how are you doing so far here in Sikihor Charity?
Catching my breath. But it's awesome. I'm filled with awe. And I'm very thirsty. Where are we gonna go next?
I don't know. Well, let's ask our tour guide. So,
Who's it?
where they are, the people of the Sikihor, the Mystic Island, as they say.
When I greeted them, I said, "Hi." They left.
Really? Who laughed?
Them.
Is it exhausting so far?
Very, but it's worth all the the perspirating.
Perspiration.
Now I know that this is the best exercise.
Aside
Other
from
than-
having sex.
Aside from exercise.
Alright, we're going to our next location.
Stop.
Do it.
Where's the next stop?
Challengers, get in the...
far.
Alright. We're ready to go.
Hi, Titi, text na lang ha.
Head count. Can I stay there? Because I need to take videos.
Dito kayo ang hangin.
Ano mo?
Oh, count off. 5-5. We're ready to go.
Kasi mo, wipes. Pinapaliw ko din.